We've heard it over and over again. Eat your fruits and vegetables. According to the USDA, we should consume at least half of our daily calories from fruits and veggies. That may sound easy, but we often fall short of our goal. So to give you a hand, we've created a super tasty vitamin-packed smoothie that'll help meet those goals. All we do is toss some strawberries in a blender along with a cut-up banana. As for the strawberries, they can be fresh, or what we find even easier is to use frozen ones. Now to that, we add in about half a cup of orange juice, a bit of honey for some natural sweetness, and a good amount of ice. The cover goes on and we let the blender do its thing. You may need to scrape down the sides depending on how big and powerful your blender is. And talk about a powerhouse of nutrition. There is no saturated fat and it's packed with vitamin C. So whether you serve this as a wake-me-up smoothie before work or school, or as an afternoon guilt-free treat, it's one of the tastiest ways to get your fruits. So right after the news, jump on your computer, tablet, or smartphone and check out the recipe for our Mixed Fruit Smoothie, along with more of our favorite smoothie recipes. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a healthier way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.